Animal Crossing New Horizons is a simulation game where you get placed on a deserted island with animal residents. You don't start with much, but the more you play, you unlock tools to design your paradise by using the natural resources on the island, like wood, stone, flowers, and more. Animal Crossing is very relaxing. With improved graphics, this game is beautiful and the music is fantastic. The time of day and season match real life, so you will find new items, fish, and bugs all year round. Also, the characters are cute, colorful, and are super funny. Crafting is my favorite new feature in this game. You will also find new recipes for all sorts of things you can make. In New Horizons, you can now build rivers and cliffs to really make the island your own. There are different activities to take your mind off of your workday or schoolwork. There's fishing, catching bugs, completing requests for your residents, and decorating your home and island. The great thing about this game is that you can play for 15 minutes or a few hours straight. Animal Crossing allows you to progress and achieve small goals on your own time. You can play with your friends with a Nintendo Online account. It's fun to get together and see each other's islands. Overall, Animal Crossing New Horizons is a wonderful, relaxing game. There is no winning or losing in this world, and the goal is to just be creative.